Once you turn on dependency alerts, it doesn't take long before security alerts and pull requests start to pile up. In this video, I will show you how GitHub auto-trage rules let you control that noises, so we can focus on the alerts that actually matter. The goal here is not to ignore security. The goal is to stop wasting time on alerts that are low impact, especially for packages that are only used during development and never reach production. I'm starting with the temporary repository, where dependency alerts are enabled. But I'm not turning on automatic security updates yet. Instead, I want to focus on the rules section, because that's where GitHub lets you automate how alerts are handled. Quick note: the preset rule GitHub provides is free on all plans, but creating your own custom rules requires a team plan or GitHub Advanced Security. GitHub already includes a preset rule here. No setup required. It targets development scope dependencies, things like test runners and build tools that never get deployed to a production environment. If one of those packages has a low impact vulnerability, GitHub dismisses it automatically. And because the rule runs before notifications are sent, your team will never even receive an email about those alerts. Let's make that concrete. I'm adding Mocha, which is a JavaScript test runner, as a development dependency. The key detail here is the --save-dev flag that tells npm and tells GitHub that this package is only used during development and will never reach production. As soon as I install it, you can already see several vulnerabilities reported right in the terminal output. That's perfect for a demo. I will commit the change and push it to GitHub, so the dependency graph can be analyzed. Over in the security tab, alerts start appearing fast. The repo ends up with 6 more open alerts. But if I scroll down, I can also see there are 4 closed alerts. Those were already dismissed the moment GitHub processed the push, and they all came from that one Mocha development dependency. Those 4 closed alerts were flagged as development related and low impact. When I drill into one of them, GitHub shows me exactly why it was dismissed. The preset rule. This matters because it proves the dismissal was driven by a rule, not by someone manually closing alerts at random. This is the real payoff of auto-trage. You reduce noise without manually touching every single alert, one at a time. And because rules apply to future alerts too, any new moderate development dependency alert will be handled the same way, automatically. The big takeaway is this: security alerting only scales if triage scales too. Auto-triage rules help you reduce noise, keep developers focused, and make better decisions about which dependency risks actually deserve immediate attention. In the next video, we move into secret scanning and push protection, another major detection feature that keeps credentials out of your codebase.